forward, but we also need to calculate the value of the relative strength, RS. This is how you calculate the RS variable. RS equals 14 EMA on the last 14 up bars, 14 EMA on the last 14 down bars. After you determine the value of the RS, you can apply the result in the first formula. This will give you the current RSI value. It works the same time if you change the periods the RSI takes into consideration. If you change the settings to a 20-period RSI, then the second formula will look like this. RS equals 20 EMA on the last 20 up bars, 20 EMA on the last 20 down bars, then you add the result to the first formula for determining the RSI value. RSI oscillator signals. There are three basic signals provided by the Relative Strength Index technical indicator. Since it is a leading indicator, the signals can typically come prior to the actual price move happening on the chart, depending on what information you use to enter the trade. RSI overbought condition. The first signal we will discuss is the overbought signal. The RSI indicator gives a signal for an overbought condition when the RSI line enters the 70 to 100 area. RSI oversold condition. The oversold RSI signal appears when the RSI line enters the 30-0 area. When the RSI is oversold, it implies that the price is likely to increase. RSI divergence signal. RSI divergence is the last signal we will discuss. As with some other indicators, such as MACD and stochastics, the relative strength index indicator can diverge from the overall price action, which can provide clues into potential reversals in the market. Bullish RSI divergence price action is decreasing while the RSI line is increasing. This is a strong bullish signal on the chart. Bearish RSI divergence price action is increasing while the RSI line is decreasing. This is a strong bearish signal on the chart. MetaTrader RSI indicator. The RSI indicator is built in many trading platforms, including the most widely used forex trading platform MetaTrader 4. You can find the indicator by clicking on Insert Indicators Oscillators Relative Strength Index. The RSI tool then appears automatically at the bottom of your chart in its default 14-period RSI setting. Learn what works and what doesn't in the Forex markets. Join my free newsletter packed with actionable tips and strategies to get your trading profitable. Click here to join RSI analysis in Forex. RSI analysis in Forex consists mainly of recognizing the signals described above. We will now illustrate each of the signals so you will get a better sense of how to analyze your chart using RSI. RSI overbought signal. The image above shows how an RSI overbought signal may appear. The RSI line breaks into the 70 to 100 area first. This creates the overbought signal. The price then moves out of the overbought zone, creating the actual sell signal on the chart. As you see, the price decreases afterwards. RSI oversold signal, and this is the oversold RSI signal.